Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, today in this video class we are going to begin with the first lesson of your EVS subject. The name of the lesson is About Myself. What is the name of a lesson? About. A-B-O-U-T. About. M-Y, my. S-E-L-F, self. About myself. This is the name of the lesson. Okay, let us start with the first lesson. Okay, yes dear students, here they have given one activity. So, you have to do in your textbook itself. What you have to do? Let us see what they have given here. See, paste a photograph of you as a baby in the first box. Yes dear students, here they have given two boxes. You can observe. Yes, this is the first box and this is the second box. What they told, in the first box you have to paste your photograph when you was a baby. Which photograph you have to paste here? When I was a baby. Nothing but when you were a baby, that photo you have to paste in the first box. I hope you are understanding. Okay, next we will see. Paste another photograph of yours taken recently in the second box. Recently is nothing but now. Okay, which is present photo you have to paste here. The second box, recently. Okay, whenever you have taken. Okay, that photo you have to paste here. In this box you have to paste when you were a baby. Now recent photo you have to paste in the second box. The next, what is the question here? What changes do you see in yourself as you grow? See dear students, when you paste your photos, just you observe both the photos. What you have to do? You have to observe when you were a baby and the recent photo of yours. Both you compare. Okay, what you have to do? You have to observe neatly. What changes you can see? That you have to write here. Okay, I hope you understood this question and you will do this activity in your textbook. Okay, you have to do this activity and you have to send me. Okay, to my WhatsApp number you have to send. Paste your, okay, when you were a baby, that photo in the first box, the recent photo of yours in the second box, then whatever the changes, okay, what changes you can observe, that you write in at least 2 sentences you write here. Okay, I hope you have understood. See here what they have given here. As we grow older, different parts of our body also grow. Yes dear students, first we will be as a baby. Okay, the day by day, yes, we will start growing. Okay, how the days will go on, no? In the same manner, even our body or our parts of our body also grow. Yes, we will not be only as a baby. Yes, the day by day our body parts will grow and even our growth will takes place. As we grow older, different parts of our body also grow here. Okay. Okay, see here. One activity again here. Look at your friends in the class. Yes, dear students, in your, okay, so you are now second standard. You are having on second standard class and there are many students. Yes, your many friends are there in your class. What you have to do? You have to look all the friends. Does everyone look the same? Yes, everyone you all are looking same? No, never. It is not possible. Yes, why it is not possible? Why everyone are not looking same then? Why not same? Same is nothing but your face should be similar to your friend face. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Even your height may be, okay, your hands, okay, these are, everyone will not look the same. See here, the picture I will show here. See, this, think that these all are your friends. Does everyone look same here? No. Some are short, some are tall, some are having a straight hair, some are having a curly hair. Okay, some legs are short and some legs are tall. Yes, like this it will differ by Okay, it will differ here. You can observe. So some of you are tall. Yes, in your class some students may be tall. You know the meaning of tall, the one who is height. Okay, who are very height, you know, who are very height. Okay, tall in their height here. Okay, some of you are tall while some are short. Okay, if you see their height, some are tall in a height and some are short in a height. Tall, see here this girl looks a little short. If you see this girl, yes, see here, one more here, two boys are there. See, if you see the height of this boy and even see the height of this boy looks tall compared to this boy. This boy looks short in height here. Okay, next what they told, this is one changes. Some may have curly hair and others may have a straight hair. Yes, dear students, all are having a hair. You can observe hair. Yes, even you all are having a black color hair. Yes, some may have a curly hair. Curly means you know. Yes, in a rhymes you learnt. Okay, curly. They will be in a ring. Straight. This is, you can observe in a picture. This girl is having a curly hair. And if you see this girl is having a straight hair. Even this girl is also having a straight hair here. This boy is also having a straight hair. This boy also straight hair. But if you see this boy is having a curly hair. So, some of your friends may have a straight hair or they may have a curly hair. Okay. Next what we will see, these are the some of the changes which you can observe in your friends. Okay. All of your friends will not look the same here. Okay. Let us learn about the parts of the body. What it is? Parts. P-A-R-T-S, parts of the body. Okay, dear students, whatever I will be reading here, even you have to read from your textbook when I will complete this video. Okay, let us see about the parts of the body. See, our body has three main parts. How many main parts are there in our body? There are three main parts are there. Which are those three parts? Head is one part, trunk and limbs. These are the three main parts of our body. Which are the three main parts of our body, dear students? There are three main parts of our body. First is a head, H-E-A-D, head, T-R-U-N-K, trunk, and limbs, L-I-M-B-S, limbs. These are the three main parts of our body. Okay. Let us see here. Yes, here is one of the very cute picture. You can observe here. Yes, dear student, this is the head part. First I have told how many main parts are there. Our body has a three main parts. First one is the head. See, this is the head portion. We can observe this is the head portion. Head is having what? Okay, I will explain about the head afterwards. The next part they have given here is a trunk portion. This is the, with the arrow mark they have shown here, this is the trunk, T-R-U-N-K, trunk portion, trunk part it is. Next they told limbs. We are having a upper limb and lower limb. Let us see one parts we will learn in detail here. Head. Okay, see here. Hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, cheeks and chin are present in and around the head area. Then head covers what, dear students, here? Head covers hair. It is having a, see, head portion, head part is having even hair. Okay, again forehead also. Yes, here you are having the eyebrows, no? Above that what is present? Forehead is present. Next even eyes also. Eyes also will come under the part of a head. Next nose. Nose is also here. It is also come under the head portion. Next mouth. You can observe the mouth. By the mouth we will have our food. And even cheeks we are having. As cheeks is also one of the part of the head portion, and chin are present in a head area. So in a head area, which parts will come? In a head area, see here, hair, forehead, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, cheeks and chin are present in and around the head area. Yes, dear students, in a head portion, which all the parts will come? That you have to able to tell here. These all the parts will come under the head portion. Okay. The next part is trunk. Yes, let us learn about the trunk part here. Chest in a front, the back, the shoulders and the stomach form the trunk. See, dear students, in the picture we'll see as I have told, this is the trunk portion. So it includes what? Chest in the front. We are having a chest. You can observe here. We are having a chest part. Okay. Chest part in the front and even at the back also chest part will come. Chest in the front, the back, the shoulders. Yes, these are the shoulders. These are the shoulders. Okay. And the stomach. You can observe here. This is a stomach part. Chest in the front, the back, and the shoulders, these are the shoulders, and the stomach form the trunk, and this stomach also total together it forms what? It forms a trunk part. Okay, this is about the trunk part. Let us see the next part, that is a limbs. Okay, arms from the shoulder to the fingers form the upper limbs. As I have told, there are two limbs are there, upper limb and lower limb. Yes, how many limbs are there? Upper limbs and lower limbs. Then what are they told here? Arms from the shoulders to the fingers. Yes, you can observe here in the picture. This is a shoulder part. Okay, from this shoulder to the finger part, which portion it is? It is the upper limb portion. Inner limbs, there are two types are there. One is the upper limb, UPPER, upper limb, and one more is a lower limb, LOWERLIMB. This is a lower limb. Then in a upper limb, which part will cover? In a upper limb from the shoulder, okay, from the shoulder to the fingers, till the fingers. That is the upper limb. Which is the upper limb? Arms from the shoulder to the fingers covers the upper limb. We use our hands to touch, feel and hold the things. Yes, dear student, what is the use of a hand? Yes, why we are using our hands? We use our hands to touch. If you want to touch any things, we are using our hands. If you want to feel something, whether the anything is it is a cold or a hot, okay, by hands we will touch and will see. Yes, and to hold anything, if you want to carry your water bottle, we want a hand help. Yes, we can't hold with the legs, we need a hand help. So, what is the use of a hand here? We use our hands to touch, to feel. Yes, whether the object is a hot or the cold, by feeling that one, yes, we will feel whether it is a hot or cold here. And to hold anything, whether your tiffin box, it may be your bag, okay, whatever you want to hold the things, we need help of our hand. Okay, next we will see about the legs. Legs from the hips to the toes form the lower limbs. See here, legs from the hips they told. This is the hip portion. You can observe, dear student, they have marked here. Okay, this is the hip part. Okay, legs from the hips to the toes. This is the hip part, and this below here, this is the toes part. Total, it forms what? It forms the lower limbs. As I have told, upper limbs from the arms from the shoulder. This from the shoulder to the finger, it forms the upper limb. Hips, okay, this is the hips. Legs from the hips to the toes. From this is the hip part and this is the toe part. From the hips to the toes, it forms a lower limb. We use our legs to walk, run and jump. Yes, whenever you want to move from one place to the another place, we take a help of leg, not with a hand. We walk with our legs. We walk with our legs here. So, we use our hands. This is about hands. We use our legs to walk, run and jump. J-U-M-P, jump here. Okay, we use our legs to walk, run and jump. What is the use of leg then? We use our legs to walk, run and jump. Okay, these are the three main body parts we learned today, dear students. Okay, how many main parts are there? Our body has three main parts. Then which are those three main parts? Head, trunk and limbs. Again in our limbs we are having a upper limb and lower limb. These are the three main parts of our body. I hope you have understood this today's class. What you have to do here is, here I have given one homework, dear students. Write the given difficult words 5 times in your rough book. Here I have given some difficult words. Okay. See, the first difficult word is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different. Okay, you have tried this different 5 times. G-R-O-W, grow. B-O-D-Y, body. T-A-L-L, tall. S-H-O-R-T, short. C-U-R-L-Y, curly. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. H-E-A-D, head. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. L-I-M-B-S, limbs. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D, forehead. C-H-E-E-K-S, cheeks. These are some of the difficult words I have given here. So what you have to do is, you have to write all these difficult words 5 times in your rough book and you have to send it to my WhatsApp number. So watch this video properly and do the homework and send to my number. In the next video class, we'll study about the sense of organs. Till that, dear students, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.